small scenario, but you know already yesterday. The same thing I'm going to apply here now. For example, let me take the sum of the data. So quantity, profit, everything that I want. Let me take from the region. So from this region, what you do, shift to right arrow. Otherwise, control shift to right arrow, you directly select the entire thing. So then I'm using the shift only. Just to the down arrow, you can select as many data as you want. For example, this is I want to create that one table. So what you do, so copy it first, go to the new page, whatever the data that you want, paste here. So that you know already auto adjust how to do it. Right click here, then double click anywhere, it automatically adjusts everything. So now this plain raw data, I want to convert into the some table format, which you already know what you do. So control shift button, right arrow and down arrow, entire your table gets selected. Then go to the the data, not here, here only there is format table. Go here that you can take any format, it automatically convert into that format. So it will ask you what is the range that you have selected your table. Observe here that background. So this is selected the entire table. Then click on OK. It automatically changed. So now your drop down coming, your data is very clean and your headers also fine. So if you want to change your headers colors, everything format you can do. Select it. Go to the home menu. So go to the home menu. There is the text, you can change it the way you want to see. That is fine. So this is how you can do, you already know yesterday. So it means that you don't have any doubts over here that. For example, here I want to the filter it out based on the tables only. You already know in the Power BI as well. Some people might not know how to filter it out. Simple thing for them. Let me click on this drop down. There is here the text filter. So click on here that whatever you want. For example, I am giving here that equals, click on it. So here I want only the tables. What I do, I just type here the tables, simple. The people who don't know for them. So this is how you can filter it out, only the tables. So nothing bigger, your icon filter is changed. So now clear your filter if you want to go clear it. So you will get all your data back. The same manner for the other also, you can go and click on it. So go to the text. You can go any of item here. So mostly we are going with the content. What is the beauty of content? Observe, click on it. So this is one of the interview question for the Power BI, not here. The content, what it is going to do. So whatever the letter, any one letter you keep here that, go click on OK. So based on letter, whatever you are given here the letter. So if it is there in every name, it is going to filter out based on that letter only. Observe. Click on it, you can observe. So you have given smaller, so that's why we are getting this output. Perfect, I'm clearing the filter. So other filters, you just check it out. The people who are very new, so people who don't know very well. So just try to check it out. But we are going to cover this very deeply in our Power BI. So that is not big deal. Simple thing that already you know that how to calculate that sum, minimum, maximum value. So how to do by using the formula. So let me write here that I'm going to understand that sales value calculation. So that is fine. I want to go with the sum first. So you already know, give equal to, give sum here. So whatever the range that you want to select, select it. So this is the sales. From here, you just select. Hold the shift button, select your items. Simple. Then hit the enter. Just observe here that from where to where you have selected, range is giving you. So hit the enter, you will get that sum. The same thing for the minimum also. So this minimum value, give equal to, right here that minimum, you just select that values from here. So hold the shift button, then go down, select the range, then hit the enter button. So you can see here that this is the minimum value. Minimum in the sense, what is the least value out of this given values. Simple. The next one, observe here that maximum value that you want to find out. Simple thing, go here that max of whatever the range that you want to select, you can select. So I'm selecting till here only range, not till the last. Hit the enter. Out of this, what is the highest value? This is giving you. This is your highest value, whatever you have selected. The count also the same thing. So this much you know already. So give here that count of whatever the values that are there. You go select them. So it is going to count how many number of rows that are there. So you have selected 19 rows, simple. So that is simple thing you already know yesterday. So now observe here that whatever the table that you have created, if you want to save it out, you can save. So go here, let it be. I want to save this file. Go to the file menu. You already know how to save it. Click on save as. Where you want to save this PC. I want to save my location is desktop. Click on it. So this is how my data. Let me give Excel data. Simple thing, saving only, everybody know. So click on continue. You can see your data is saved. Fine. That is simple thing. Now observe here that you have saved. Yes.
సరే ఇప్పుడు మనకి థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ లో డేటా ఉంది అనుకోండి సార్, దాంట్లో మినిమం వాల్యూ మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ మనం తెలుసుకోవాలంటే
సేమ్ అంతే ఫార్ములా. ఇప్పుడు థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉందనుకో, నువ్వేం చేస్తావు, ఆటో డేట్లోకి వెళ్తావు. ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉందా, టోటల్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకి 999 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అంటే 10,000 ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తావు, జస్ట్ సమ్ ఏదో ఒకటి కొడతావు, నీకు ఇది కావాలంటే. నువ్వు రేంజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఏం చేస్తావు, ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తావు. అందుకే షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్పింది, కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకొని డౌన్ యారో క్లిక్ చేయి, లాస్ట్ దాకా సెలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినావా ఎన్ని రోజులు ఉన్నాయో, అన్నీ సెలెక్ట్ అయినాయి ఆటోమేటిక్గా. నువ్వు టాప్కి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు కావాలంటే నీ ఫామ్లో ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళు, ఆ రేంజ్ అంతా సెలెక్ట్ అయిందా, ఇట్ ద ఎంటర్ కొట్టు, వస్తుంది టోటల్. మినిమం కావాలంటే మినిమం, మ్యాక్సిమం కావాలంటే మ్యాక్సిమం. అలా
ఓకే,
ఓన్లీ వ్యాలిడేషన్ పర్పస్కి ఎక్కువ వాడంలే, మీరు అంత డీప్గా థింక్ చేద్దాం దీని గురించి. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ వాట్ వీ డూ, సో అవర్ scenario is that, so just observe here that you are saving your file, that is fine, but the problem is that in your real time, for example, you are working in some non-IT sector, that is for the DMart you are working. So DMart company, every day what you do, so for example you have the 100 outlets. So you can compare only the Hyderabad, you have 100 outlets from the DMart. So 100 outlets, every DMart has the different manager that is there. So in each DMart, you might see that minimum 20 counters. So from these 20 counters, I want to know that what is the data. So what is the total turnover. So what are the items that are sold on that particular day for the particular location. So let me take here that we are taking that to some high-tech city. So otherwise Madhapur is there now. So from the Madhapur location DMart that is there. So from this Madhapur location DMart, what you need to do, so you have to get the data. So the data format, what you want in the table format, and I want to give that logo of your DMart also in that table, whatever you have created. So who's that manager? So manager sign, signature. So otherwise you can give that some of the information, whatever it is there, valid one. So that is some of the information you required. This is particularly coming from the Madhapur. For example, is there any code for the Madhapur? For example, they are giving that Madhapur 01 code. Like that you want to give. So this is, you can save them in the PDF format every day at the end of the day by the manager. So in such cases, what we can do, observe. So you have created one table here. So you have to convert them into the right format. So what you do, let me remove all this. So this is unwanted one, let me remove. So this is, you can consider this is one location of your DMart data. So go to the here the data. So there is, where it is that option. So here not, here not, here not. Where it has gone. Header and footer is there. Let me check it out. So click on this header and footer under this insert option, observe. The moment you click on it, it will create that one header and footer. So this is divided into 2 parts, 3 parts. Wait, is it any changing to change the A4, A5 pages? This is letter format. Let me take A5, whether it is fixing, auto fix or not. Now 2 tables, 3 tables coming. Okay, let it be. So for example, here that 3 headers that are opening, for example, this is the small amount of the, just like this 2 or 3 pages that are there, you can consider. So just observe here, you can edit anything. So for example, your data, this data is coming from Madhapur. So your DMART code is for the Madhapur 01 like this. So here that the date you can give that, what is the date? So for example, today date is 18th December 2025. So this is the sale value only particular date from the particular location. Here I want to see the logo. So what I do, so where it is logo insert. So here, background, this is going for the background. Let me check it out. Here you can't take this picture. Let me check this picture. Something the picture, is there any DMART one? I don't know. There is no DMART one. So let me take something. This is the DMART logo. So it is going here. This is too bad. I want to insert only here. I can insert, but I want to check it out. It is not enabled. If I take the background, margin orient size, that is there align. Let me try with the background what it is going to give you. So let me take some picture. Where it gone? This is going for the background. No, this is not the way. Where it is? This is the picture. Not here, not here, not here. So okay, that is picture only. I will check it out. Otherwise, if you people know, that is very good thing. So why waste time? Here we can insert the logo, very small logo. So based on the DMART only. So in the down also your footer is there. Here also you can give that. So number of pages that you want. For example, I am the manager from here. So let me give my name here only. So this is how you can give. And whatever the number of pages, any details that you want, that you can give. So just like this header and footer, you can give. So this is fine. Once you give that something. So now finally I'm going to the file. So go here that I'm clicking on the print. So I want PDF format to see. So this is how your data come. So here you can insert your logo and here every details that is there. Your table is also there. So let me try to convert this into portrait. So instead of this one, see here that let me try to convert into the landscape. Where is the data? So okay, fine. Let me convert into the landscape. Let me try it out now. Now fine. So here the logo will come. So that is I will check it out. So now this is I want to share in the PDF format. What you do, the moment you go click on this print, you will get it out PDF. Before that, just understand here that some of the options, the people who looking for the non-IT. So here the normal margin that is there, you can give that very wide margin, normal margin, you can select anything. So it will affect here. So here the no scaling is there. If you want to fit your data into that one page only, you can click all rows fit into one page. It automatically will fit. Observe. Only one page that is coming, earlier 3 pages. Now you might not understand. Now observe, you have total 9 pages you got. So you just scroll down, you will check it out. So total pages, 9 pages that are coming based on your data, whatever you have selected in that. So you want only one page that you want. In the one page only you want to fit. So here, go here that fit all pages. Otherwise you can give that fit column one page. So you can choose any options based on your convenience. So this is how you can fit. So this is unwanted coming up. So now what you do, click on the print. So it will ask you to save in the PDF format. Observe. So I'm going to save. So today sales. So DMart, for example, I'm saving on my desktop. So go click on save. Now you go check your format that is from there. So where is that PDF? This is not. Just click on it. You can say this is how you come. You can share from here. So you can share this by through mail. So that image insert only, you will check it out. Otherwise, your data will come so clean about it. So otherwise, let me take one more Excel. So my version is old version, so that's why 2016 version. Some options it won't enable straight away. Let me take another data. Go scroll up. Let me take some of the data. So hold the shift button, right arrow, down arrow, as many data as you want to select. Let me take very small amount. So go check it out. Click on it, double click any column, it auto adjust. Now select again your table, go to your layout, insert also here it is the table. Click on this. So you can see the any format that you want. So okay, fine. Now let me check that one. So where it is that option, header and footer, click on it. So here picture is enabled now, observe. So for example, I'm selecting this one, I want to see picture. So that is the problem. So now take this. So it is auto adjust. You just observe here. So no worry, your picture is coming here. We will check it out. Your picture is become very bigger. What you do? So in this cases, there is the format. Go to the design where it is format. Yes, there right click. We forgot where it is, scaling without document. View, that is not there. Here is not there. Here is not there. Here is not there. Here is not there. So okay, this one let it be. We will see output how it will come. So here I'm giving the today date 18th December 2025. Something I'm giving here, the name I'm giving. And this is a problem with old version. Some options won't enable here. So let's check it. Let me give here that something the Madhapur location. Okay, let it be footer. You know already how you can do it. Struck in the background. Too bad. Let me copy again. Just give me a second. I want to see how it can give you very beauty of your Excel report. Select it, go insert, click on the table. You can change into the any format. So now go here that insert, go and take that header and footer. So go here. Here the picture is there. Any other option for the picture? No. Take it. So go click on it. This picture coming. We want to edit it. Where is that picture format here? So this is what I'm searching for. So click on it, picture format. You can increase, decrease the size. For example, width, let me give something the 10. Here that let me give something the 10. Height, let me decrease something like this. Let me try to check it out. So now your picture is coming. This is how. So now you can give your date here, 18th December 2025. So now you can give all the things details. Madhapur 01 code. So footer is there in the down. You just observe here that. So this is page number 1. So this is the manager, something the manager that you can call it. So this is the something what you need to do. So today sell something I'm giving. Fine. So now you go file, go here that save as, not save as, go to the print. So here your location data is everything clean. So now observe 2 pages that are there. So go scroll down. You can see one more, everything, whatever you have given the format, same format is applied for the all the pages, observe. So now you go play here. So now I don't want like this, I want the landscape. So it will convert into the landscape, observe. So here that go to the no scaling. So you want to fit all columns. So you can fit. So fine. So this is how you get. Then finally you go save it. Not save it, where it is gone, print. So now you go save it. So Madhapur report. Go check your Madhapur report here. So this is how your report will go. So you can adjust the entire thing. So now you just try to do with that options. You can fit entire page. You can give margins also. So these are all some of the stuff you try to do if you are interested more on this. So this is how that you want to do. So this is the way you can say to your managers every day. So let's see the next one. So in your Power BI, you have seen that how to extract that first name, middle name, and the last name. So you already know by using the Power Query Editor. In the same manner here also, if you have that first name, middle name, last name, so you no need to follow the multiple steps. There will be the one option that how you are going to separate your names. So just observe here that go to your Excel. Which Excel? So this is some of the Excel which we have. For example, let me take some of the customer name, you know already. This is the customer name. So here the multiple names that are there, I want to separate them. First name, last name, like that. What you do, selective column first. So go to the insert. I think so in the data, go here. I think this one, click on it. So you have to provide the delimiter. So the moment you click on text to columns, observe, it will ask you to delimiter. What is the delimiter that you are giving here that? Click on next. So here delimiter is space only. So between the names only there is the space. So select space only. So not tab, space only. So you can see data preview. This is how it is going to separate your names. First name, middle name, last name. Now click on next. So now it is going to give you the final output like this. Now click on finish. Already data is here, you want to replace it. Okay, click on it, you just observe your 3 names is changing. Now you can change here the name. So this is your first name of customer. This is middle name. Here it is the last name, that is. So this is how you can separate your name into the 3 different columns. That you go check it out till the down, you will get that same output. So based on your delimiter, you have given that space. Based on the space only, it is going to divide your name. So that is how in the Power BI also you know already. But whenever you want to go for the validation purpose, you can use such. So what is this? This is also one thing, observe here that you can separate where you can use in the non-IT, observe here. So in the non-IT, for example, so we have that some 100 employees. Otherwise, you have that something any 100 or more than thousands of the the data that is there. So you want to know that your product is coming from. For example, the employees. So 10 employees is working. So they are working from Amazon. These 10 employees. So some other employees working from the something else. Let's say Google. some employees is working from the Microsoft. So like this, I want to know about that, how many employees that are working from this Amazon, how many employees that are working from Google and Microsoft, like that. Now observe here that how to do that. Same scenario only, columns extracted. So let me take here that employee name. So here I'm using email ID only. Based on the email ID I want to extract. So let me give here that contact number. Let me give here that something, let it be salary, whatever it would be. It takes time to load the data. So my name is ABC. My email is ABC @ I'm working with Amazon. Amazon.com. So this is, I think, so my contact number is something like this. Now my name is CDE. So my CDE working with something, the Flipkart. So this is your mobile number, and so this is my name, something EDF @ something. I'm again, so this guy is working from Amazon.com. So I forgot here to give .com, the top. So give same format. So here something, the contact number. So here the something, the name. So UKA @ I'm working from something. Let me give here that Microsoft.com. And you can enter some of the data over here, that is fine. So that is good. Next something, I'm giving the something name. So I'm working with the, let me give Google. So for example, you have data like this, the lakhs of the data, thousands of the data. I want to know that who are working from the Amazon, who are working from the Flipkart, who are working from the, this Amazon, Microsoft, like this, I want to know. So what you do, same procedure, selective column, go to your data, and there is option here, the text to column, click on it. So delimiter you have to understand. Now go click on next. So here that I want to give delimiter. So click on others. What is delimiter? You want to see here that whatever the after this @. So I want to check @. So you can preview here down, fine. So now next step, what you do, click on next. So here it is, the data is separated, whatever the company that you are working. So what is your name? So now next click on finish, you can observe. So this is how you can extract, simple. So after you extract here that, this is not the proper way still. So this is, you consider as a employee name only. So I'm giving here that name of employee. This is the company. This is also not proper way. This .com I don't want. Again, what you do, selective column, go here that same text to column, same delimiter, go click on next. Here the delimiter comma only, what you do, that is not comma, that is full stop. Click on full stop. Now it is separated. Now click on next, click on finish. So this is how you extract. So from here, you know already, this is .com, let it be something like ABC column name. What you do, select your table, go to insert, there is the table format, you can convert into table. So this is the table format you converted. Now click on the drop down. You want only Amazon people, so only select Amazon. You can understand how many people are from Amazon. Other companies, you go filter it out, same way. Go click on it, go to the Google, click on it, simple. So nothing bigger. So fine. So this is how you can extract your names. So based on this, any employee, any item, any product that you want to extract, you can extract by using that. That is fine. Let's see the next one. This scenario you already know, but this is very important for you in the real time. So how to find the duplicate values, how to remove the duplicate values. So you already know the basic level, how to find the duplicate values. Last time we have seen. But the problem is how to remove the duplicates. This is the important for you. So not only here, for your validation purpose, whenever you get the data from your Excel, mostly you don't get the data from Excel, but if in case, if you get the data from the Excel, you have to follow this, the format of your data. That format, they will ask you for sure this question from Excel side. So how to find the duplicates? How to remove the duplicates? Simple thing, observe. So let me take that some data. Control up arrow to reach top. So what column should I take? Let me take some of the column from here. Shift right arrow, down arrow. I'm taking some of this data. Go here, paste here. So this container, so many duplicates. This is also container, so many duplicates. This also container, so many duplicates. Okay, let me check. This is the data which I have. So what I do, I'm going to select the table first. Any row, based on any row that you want to select. Based on ID only, I want to select to remove the duplicate. So every time we are taking the unique numbers, that is IDs only. Take this. Go to the home menu. You know already how to find the duplicates. Go to the conditional formatting, highlight. There is the option last duplicate values. The moment you click on it, it will realize you that how many duplicates that are there with the different color. So go, you can change any color that you want. You can change, click on OK. This is how you can find out the duplicates. So, but how to remove the duplicate values? Observe. The same thing, you can select only one column. So to remove the duplicate columns. Otherwise, whenever you go for the removing the duplicate columns, you have to select entire table. So because of duplicate is not containing only the ID. So how we can say that same customer is going to give that so many. This one, let me make you understand here that, for example, here the same customer name that is there. So this same customer, so multiple time visiting your, the business is going to buy different items every day. So not one item is going to buy every time. So in such cases, whenever you go for the removing the duplicate values, you have to understand, you have to select entire table. So this is the small table that you can understand. Go here. Otherwise, let me take this copy again. So I'm pasting here. You can understand the difference between them. Only this one coming. So okay, again I'm taking the some of the copy to make you better understand this. So okay, this is some of the data which I have. Let me remove this much. Okay, where is the delete? So this data I don't want, I want to remove it. Simple. Fine. Now observe, this is the data which you have. The headers I didn't take. Let it be. First you select your table first. Shift to right arrow and down arrow you can select. Then go to the data. So you know how to find the duplicates. Go to the data option. There is the one option that is there, remove duplicates. Observe. The moment you click on it, remove duplicates. How many total now? So you can go and count first. How many that are there? I'm going to count. So select your count from here. What happened? Count of your rows. Go select them. Then it is giving 0. So let me make you understand to count the rows. How many rows that are there after removing, how many rows you will get. So it is coming 0, too bad. So otherwise understand 18 rows that are there. So total 18, there is no header. So let me understand. Let me select the table and remove the duplicate. So go here the data, there is the option remove duplicate, click on it. Simple. So it will ask you, so what is the column that I want to choose? So based on one column, if you want to find out the duplicate, you can find out. Based on all columns, you want to find out the remove the duplicates, you can select all. So 99% you go select entire table. Go click on OK. So this is how observe. So these many duplicates that are there and these unique values that are remaining there. Simple thing, nothing bigger. So here the same thing, now observe. So you know already duplicate that are selected. So total 18 items that are there. Here the 2 duplicates. I want to remove only one from this. So here the so many duplicates still here. I want to remove all except one only. Here the 2. I want to remove one except one. So here the I want to remove one except one. So fine. Go here, click on remove. So you can see it will ask you to based on which one you want to select. Otherwise, instead of the entire table, let me select only the one column. So this way also you can understand better. So now click on remove. So it will ask you to select all. So all table it is giving you to select. So okay, fine, let it be. Click on OK. So these many records that are deleted. Whatever the selected duplicate values that is there still there, you can understand. So this is a simple thing, but you need to tell that step by step in your real time whenever they are asking you. So if you want to find out the duplicate, go to the home menu. There is the formatting, there is the highlight cells, there is the duplicate values. So it is just highlighting your duplicate values, remember. But if you want to remove the duplicates, you have to go to the data main menu. There is the option duplicate under the data tools section. So this is one thing you just have to remember. Fine. Let's see the next one. The sorting, you already know how to sort it. So A to Z, G to A, you already know. This again coming. I don't know. The sorting order only, simple thing. So A to Z ascending order, and this will be the descending order. You know, the people might not know, you're new guys. So click on any column that you can go select it. So for example, I'm selecting this column, go for the sorting. So here A to Z under the data main menu. Click on it, it will go sorting. So you know that if you want to go G to A, you can do it. So this is, you know, already in the first session. So that let it be. Now observe here that. So this is something. So I want to make the group of the same items. I want to ungroup them. I want to know about that subtotals for them. So just try to understand. Let me take some data which is similar. Let me take region only. It is sorted. Let me take the data from somewhere else. So what I want, let me copy this one. So I'm taking these two. Otherwise, let me take only the region. I can understand better. Go here, paste here. Fine. Now go back. Let me select the sales as well. Let me take this copy. Go to the C2. Paste here. This is the data which you have. I want to know about that. Based on this region group, I want to group together. So for example, South region, I want to make them group together. On the West region, I want to make the two together. On the Central region, there is no North. Let me convert some of the data to North. So just to drag down, nothing bigger. Okay, fine. First step, what you do, selective column. So next what you do, first go for the sorting here. So any sorting you can apply. So it will select all. Okay, fine. Now all your regions at one place. Next step, what you do, select your table. Otherwise, let me check it out by selecting entire table except column headers. So go to the data only. There is the last section, observe. So let me select again it. Should we select entire table or not? Let me check first. So go to the group here that. So here the last. So click on here. So you can group. The moment you click on the group, observe, it will ask you based on the rows or columns. Let me check with the rows what it is going to give you result. Click on OK. Observe, it is giving you like this. The moment you click on this, it is going to hide the data. So this is not we are expecting. Let me check with this. I'm going to ungroup it. What you do, go here, click on ungroup directly. So okay, your data come back. Let me select again. So now you go here, that grouping, click on it. So instead of that, let me create based on the column. Click on OK. So now this is also not giving you a result. So this is also making ungroup. Let it be ungroup based on the column we have selected. Okay, fine. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting only the region column. So now go to the grouping. So now based on the row only I'm giving, click on it. Okay. So now it is giving you only the one group. This is not right way. No, the row is, let me ungroup. Entire table, let me select. So all table I'm selecting, go to the grouping now. So I'm giving row wise, click on OK. Now let me observe. So still it is not giving the right way. So okay, fine. I will check it this one. So why waste time here? So I will check this one again. Let it be. So this is also one of the important scenario for you to make them group. So I will check this one. Let it be for now. So let's see the next scenario. This is pending one. So fine. So this one, next one, observe here that I want to freeze the top rows, down rows like that. So now observe, go to some of your Excel. So now in this Excel, what I do, I'm going to convert this into the right format, your headers. So something like this, which I have that some of the data. Fine. So this is the data that I have, that is fine. But the problem is that whenever you go scroll up somewhat, you just go scroll up. Can you able to understand what is this column, what is this column, what is this column like that? So what I want, whenever I go scroll up, I want my header should be on the top only. So how can I make it top? Observe, first select it, otherwise select, no select, that is fine. So where it is in the view. So there is one option, freeze points. The moment you click on it, it will ask you that top row, I want to freeze it. The moment you click on it, it is going to freeze. Now observe, you just scroll up, your column header still there. So you can easily understand that what is the column this belong to, what is the column this belong to, like that you can go understand here. So nothing bigger. So this is the sales column, this is the profit column, like that. So this is how you can freeze your column headers. Simple thing. So let me convert this into the proper way. So now you can understand very well. Fine. This is one thing. Another thing that is there, for example, if you want anything, something here, the highlight something. So we'll go check it out. That one, the ways, there is the freeze, there is the one more option that is there, first column. So here it is also there. So for example, this row I want to remove, otherwise I'm going to hide it. So this I want to hide. So this is your ID. Based on ID also I want to see what I want to be. So this ID should be there. Here also should be there, like that. So what you do, select your column. Otherwise go to the freeze and you can keep the first row, first column. Click on it. So now you scroll up. So this is still coming. That is hiding, I think. Let me check with the another one. This is the column I want to freeze. So this data is very small. So this is also coming along with it. So wait, double click here. Let me not ready only. Okay, let me take that one more data which is here. Let me try with this. So let me select some of the data. Till today I have selected. Go to that view, go to the freeze pane. There is the first column. Now go freeze, still coming. So go here, keep the first column visible while the scrolling up, in the rest do exit. That is what we are doing. What happened? So this will come. Otherwise, let me insert something here. Here that I'm giving DMart. Let me give Lulu Mall. Let me give something BMW. Let me give something here that Tesla. Let me check with this. So I'm not selecting anything. Let it be whatever it is. Go to the view menu. Go here the freeze panes. Go here that click on first. So now scroll up. Still it is not coming. Okay. I understood now. Observe here. So I selected here. Go to the freeze pane. Click on this freeze pane. Now the moment you scroll up like this, your first the column should be there. So that is only I confused. So here also the same thing it applied, but we forgot it. So this is thing. Go to the view. There is the freeze pane. You just click on the first freeze. So this is how you go scroll up, and this is how you go your first